Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking Hiam, which is Hokkien for fried sambal dried prawns. This dish is a condiment which is widely enjoyed in Southeast Asia for its intense aroma and umami flavor. Hiam is made by frying blended dried shrimp with aromatic sambal paste, resulting in an explosive savory flavor which is so addictive. Although this is a short video, Hiam has a long list of uses, so come along with me to see how this condiment is prepared. Here I have 300 grams of good quality dried prawns. I have washed it 2 times, soaked for 20 minutes and drained. So the plan is to mince my dried prawns. I will be using my trusty food processor. You can also use pestle and mortar if you have one. We need to blend it until it is semi-fine with prawn bits still sticking around. I like it to have a little bit of texture when I eat it. So let's blend. So can you see the bits of dried prawns still around? Yeah, these will form very delicious textural, and this paste will have some structural integrity in it. Yeah, once you have got these bits rather than too fine. Okay, so here we are going to make the spice paste. The ingredients I will just name one at a time as I load each ingredient into the food processor, starting with the fresh red chilies, which are roughly chopped, my garlic also roughly chopped, shallots roughly chopped, the white parts of 10 stalks of lemongrass also roughly chopped. Then we have 6 candlenuts, shrimp paste. Here I'm using fresh turmeric, roughly chopped, 30 grams of dried chili powder, and a bit of water to help with the blending process. So what we want is a paste that is not too fine, neither is it silky or creamy. We want something like this. Yeah, it's a rough paste. We still see some bits of the ingredients lying around, and these are the bits that will really be nice, aromatic and textural. So heat up about 250 milliliters of oil. So once the oil is hot, then we can pour in the spice paste. Okay, so then we are going to stir the spice paste for about a minute in order for the paste to be nicely incorporated with the oil. Yep, just over medium heat. Yep. So, okay, something like this. And once we have reached this stage, we can add our minced dried prawns. Okay, our plan is to stir fry this, to saute this for about 20 minutes. So the longer you saute, the darker it will become and the longer it will keep. So, but usually I saute it for about 20 minutes. Yeah, this is a homemade Hiam. In the factory, normally they saute a bit longer. Yeah, much longer. Okay, so over medium heat, and then 10 minutes later, you can see that the spice paste has darkened. The mixture is drier and lighter. At this point, you can smell the aroma of your Hiam. This is a time when my family members will come to the kitchen and ask, "Mom, when is dinner ready?" It smells so good. So continue to stir in spite of all the distractions, and 20 minutes later you can see that the Hiam has darkened even more. The paste is drier, the oil has separated from the paste, and the aroma becomes more intense. So this is a time for us to add in our last two ingredients, which are the tamarind paste and the sugar. So it will be a bit of sourness, a bit of sweetness, and together with the umami taste, it is irresistible. So we're going to stir it for another 2 minutes so that our sugar will be nicely melted and all the ingredients are all nicely incorporated. So stir fry for another 2 minutes. So you can see that at this point you can hear the popping sound, and at the same time the oil has become less, so you don't see so much oil in our heavy hiam. Okay, so now it is ready. Now the texture is crumbly, as you can see. It has real shrimp bits and sambal bits, which will add texture to our sambal. The uses are many. You can use it as toppings for rice, porridge, noodles, pasta, and bread. You can also find heavy hiam in savory sweet desserts like cookies, Chinese New Year mini prawn roll crackers, heavy hiam ang ku koi, which is becoming very popular here in Singapore. I use heavy hiam frequently in my vegetable stir fries like stir fry okra, stir fry brinjals, fried rice, chili crab, chili prawns. The list is endless. Now, on some busy days, my go-to comfort food is a piping hot bowl of rice topped with sweet pumpkin puree and finish up with my most delicious savory heavy hiam. Okay, storage. Once the heavy hiam has cooked completely, transfer it to a jar with a tight-fitting lid. Keep it in the fridge for up to 4 days to a week. If you have made a large batch, it is strongly recommended that you portion it out before you freeze them, so that it is easier to defrost a small packet at a time as and when you need to use it. They freeze well for up to 2 months. Simply thaw them in the fridge, squeeze a bit of lime over it. The extra zest will keep you coming back for more. So do consider giving this dish a try someday. The usage for food processor instead of mortar will make your job really easy. As usual, happy cooking!